So are you also running a craft store? Then this video is definitely for you. So hello all, welcome back to Pabbly Chatflow, and in this video we are going to understand how to set up a WhatsApp chatbot for DIY projects ideas in a craft store. So over here I'm also running a craft store and we regularly receive user queries for DIY project ideas. But this is such a time consuming and a tedious task to reply to those same messages over and over again. So to solve this problem, I've simply created a WhatsApp chatbot using Pabbly Chatflow. And now after creating this WhatsApp chatbot, whenever my user is going to send me a message, an automatic reply would be sent towards my user with the help of WhatsApp chatbot. And if you also want to create this amazing WhatsApp chatbot for your own craft store, then for that you have to come with me towards my screen. Welcome to my screen. So in this video, I'll show you how to create a WhatsApp chatbot for DIY project ideas in a craft store. So this chatbot will automatically share DIY project ideas and material suggestions whenever customer sends a message. It's a great way to keep your audience inspired, engage shoppers, and turn casual visitors into local creators. So let's craft a smarter customer experience for your craft store. So to get started, I have already created a WhatsApp chatbot for my own craft store. And first, I'm just going to show you the proper working of this chatbot. So for that, I'm just going to open my WhatsApp and let's say that I'm just going to message them a keyword which is craft. So I'm just going to send them this craft right over here. And as soon as I'm just going to message them the keyword, it is saying, hey there, welcome to the Crafty Nest, your DIY heaven. Before we begin, please share your full name so that we can personalize your experience. Alright, so I'm just going to share my full name right over here, which is test user. So I'm just going to share my full name, which is test user. And after sharing my full name, it is saying, what would you like to explore today? Let's say that I want to explore the DIY project. So I'm just going to go towards this DIY projects section. And now it is saying DIY projects, love crafting, explore simply and exciting DIY projects with step-by-step instructions. From handmade cards to creative wall hangings. Reply with the project number or let us know what you're looking for to place an order for supplies. Tap the below. So if they're going to click on this order now, so they are going to get all of these details. So let's say that I'm simply going to click on this order now, and over here you can see that I have received the URL with the help of which I can get the supplies. Alright, so as you can see that the chatbot is replying me within seconds in real time without any manual intervention. So yes, this is the amazing WhatsApp chatbot which we are going to learn in today's video. And if you also want to create this amazing WhatsApp chatbot for your own craft store, then for that you have to stick to this video till the end. So to do this, I'm simply going to use Pabbly Chatflow, and for that we have to open the landing page of Pabbly Chatflow. So I'm just going to open a new tab and search for pabbly.com/chatflow in my browser. And now it is going to open the landing page of Pabbly Chatflow. And now after opening the landing page of Pabbly Chatflow, we are going to get two options. One is sign in and the another one is sign up for free. So if you are a new user, you can click on this sign up for free and you are going to get a free trial of Pabbly Chatflow. But over here I am an existing user, so I'm simply going to click on this sign in. And as soon as we are going to click on this sign in, it is opening all Pabbly apps, and over here you can see all the tools and applications offered by Pabbly. But in today's video, we are going to use Pabbly Chatflow because I want to automate WhatsApp conversations effortlessly. So I'm simply going to click on this access now right over here to access my Pabbly Chatflow account. And as soon as we are going to click on this access now, it is going to open the dashboard of my Pabbly Chatflow account. And after coming over here towards the dashboard, in order to create a WhatsApp chatbot, we simply have to go towards this add WhatsApp number. So in order to create a WhatsApp chatbot, we first have to add a WhatsApp number in our Pabbly Chatflow account. Alright, so for that we have to go towards this add WhatsApp number. Now we have to enter the Meta Access token, the phone number ID and the WhatsApp business account ID. So you must be wondering from where we are going to get all of these three. So to get all of these three, we simply have to create a WhatsApp Cloud API setup. And in order to learn how to create a WhatsApp Cloud API setup and add a WhatsApp number inside Pabbly Chatflow, you can refer to the tutorial which we have attached right over here. After watching this tutorial, you will know how to add a WhatsApp number inside Pabbly Chatflow using WhatsApp Cloud API, or how to create a WhatsApp Cloud API account and connect with Pabbly Chatflow. And now after watching this tutorial, still you have any questions, you can simply reach out us at support@pabbly.com. Alright, so as you can see that I have already added my WhatsApp number right over here. So I can move on forward to create a WhatsApp chatbot. But before moving forward from this dashboard over here, you can see that these are the some features offered on my dashboard. You can see that we see WhatsApp messages credit allotted. You can see the consume credits and the remaining credits too. Alright, you can also see the WhatsApp numbers added right over here. Not only this, you can separately create folders too. For that you have to go towards this plus icon and create the folder. Alright, now I'm just going to move on towards the next. Over here you can see in the left side of the bar it is inbox, where you can manage the conversations which is going to happen between your user and the chatbot. The next is contacts over here, where you can manage the contacts and create new contacts too. And the next is this team queues, where you can assign the chats to your team members. And the next is this template, where you can create a template. Alright, and you can also explore some templates. The next we offer is broadcast, where you can create broadcast to send a single message to multiple contacts. And the next which we have is flows, and with the help of this flows only we are going to create a WhatsApp chatbot today. And over here we have the settings section, and over here you can see all these settings which are offered in your Pabbly Chatflow account. So you can manage all these settings from here. Next is get help. If you wish, you can definitely go towards this get help too. Alright, so today this video is only focusing on how to create a WhatsApp chatbot for your craft store. So for that we have to go towards the flow builder. So I'm just going to go towards this flows section of my Pabbly Chatflow account. And after coming over here towards the flows section, what we have to do is we have to go towards this blue button which says add flow. And now as soon as we're going to click on this button which says add flow right over here, it is opening a window something like this. And now before moving to this flow start, I'm just going to name this flow. I'm just going to go towards this edit flow name and name my flow as craft store right over here. So as you can see that I've successfully named my flow as craft store. And after naming this flow, we are going to move on further. Over here for the flow start, we have three options. We have keywords, we have regex, or choose template. So over here, if you want to trigger this flow on a template, then you can go towards this choose template button, choose one template and start this flow with this template. So what is going to happen is that whenever your user is going to reply to that particular template, the flow will start. Alright, so next option which we have over here is regex. So regex means regular expression, and regex help your WhatsApp chatbot understand what user is trying to say by matching specific keywords in the message. Alright, and the next is this keywords, and today in order to create this chatbot we are going to use keywords only. So over here I'm just going to enter some most commonly used keywords, which is hey, hello and hi. Alright, so to enter this keyword I'm simply going to type the keyword and then we have to press enter. It is a really important step to press enter, otherwise the keyword will not be added. Alright, so next I'm just going to add the keyword which is hello, press enter. Once again I'm just going to add the keyword which is hi and press enter. Now I'm just going to add some keywords which are related to my craft store, like craft. Next I'm just going to add shop right over here, and then one more which is DIY. So as you can see that I've successfully entered all of these keywords, and after entering all of these keywords we are going to move on further. Now what I want is that whenever my user is going to send me any of this keyword, automatically the bot should first ask them for their full name. Alright, so to ask them for their full name, what we're going to do is I'm just going to go towards this actions, and over here you can see ask question button. So I'm simply going to drag and drop it right over here and connect it with this flow start, and I'm just going to enter the message to ask my user for their full name. So as you can see that I've successfully entered the message to ask them for their full name, and now it's asking me to select the contact custom field. So over here you can see that I have created multiple contact custom field, and if you also want to create one, you have to go towards this settings from the left side of the bar and then towards this contact custom fields, and you can create very easily multiple contact custom fields in your Pabbly Chatflow account. I have already created multiple, so I'm just going to select one from this only, which is full name. And if you want to learn more about this contact custom fields, I'm just going to attach a video dedicated towards this in my description box. You can check it out. Alright, and now it is asking me for the format of the reply. So the full name is always in text format, so I'm just going to select the format as text, and now it is asking me for the number of attempts. So I only want to give my user one number of attempt to enter the full name. If you wish, you can definitely give multiple number of attempts right over here. Now it is asking me for the validation message. So if you wish, you can definitely enter a validation error message right over here by typing it like this. Alright, so what is going to happen is that, let's say you selected the format of the reply for the full name text, all right, but your user is going to reply in number or some another format, then this flow is not going to move on further. So instead of not communicating this towards your user, what you can do is you can simply enter a validation message right over here, like please enter the full name in text format only, or this is an error, you have to enter the full name in text format, something like this, so that your user knows that they have to enter the full name in text format only. All right, so if you wish, you can definitely add a validation message and increase the number of attempts, but both of these are not the required fields, so I'm just going to leave it as blank. We are going to move on further. After asking them for their full name, what I want is I want to share them a message of all of these options, right? So I'm just going to go back towards my flow, simply drag and drop the connection and select the content type as text plus button, and now I'm just going to enter the message I want to send after my user shares their full name. So I'm just going to enter the message, which is what would you like to explore today. Over here I'm just going to give them three options: DIY projects, tools and kits, and order now. So I'm just going to give them all of these three options. For that, I'm just going to add these buttons and give them all of these three options. Alright, so to do this, first I'm just going to enter the text as DIY projects, the next is tools and kits, and the third one is order now. And now I'm just going to set up message in front of all of these three one by one. First, we are going to start with this DIY projects. I'm just going to simply drag and drop the connection and select the content type as media right over here, and now I'm just going to upload the file I want to send. So I'm just going to send an image something like this, right? So for that, I'm just going to browse my images and select the image right over here. Alright, so as you can see that this is the image which I want to attach, so I'm just going to select it, and as soon as we are going to add the image right over here, automatically Pabbly Chatflow is going to detect the media type and enter the URL. We don't have to change it. I'm simply going to enter the caption next after adding this image. Alright, so as you can see, the image has been added, and now I'm just going to enter the caption as this. Now we're going to move on further. I'm just going to add two buttons right over here. One would be order now, so I'm simply going to enter order now, and the another one would be get support. Alright, so now after setting up message for DIY projects, we are going to move on forward towards this tools and kits. Simply I'm just going to drag and drop the connection, select the content type as text plus button, and now I'm just going to enter the message right over here. One would be order now and the another one will be get support, so I'm just going to add these buttons right over here too. Now we're going to move on forward towards the third message, which is order now. So I'm simply going to drag and drop the connection and select the content type as text plus button, and now I'm just going to enter the message for order now. And as you can see, that I've successfully entered the message for order now. And now what we're going to do is I'm simply going to connect this order now message with all the buttons which says order now. So as you can see, we can connect a single message with multiple buttons. We don't have to write multiple messages for multiple buttons, but for the buttons whose text is same, we can use single message too. Like over here, you can see for order now, I can simply connect it with this message. And same over here too, I'm just going to connect this order now with this message right over here. And now after doing this, what we're going to do is in this order now message too, I'm just going to add a button of get support, and now I'm just going to set up message for get support. So I'm simply going to drag and drop the connection and select the content type as text plus button, and over here I'm just going to enter the message for get support. And yes, over here you can see that I've successfully entered the get support message, and now I'm just going to connect this message with all the buttons which says get support. And with this, we have successfully connected all the buttons which said get support with this get support message. And with this, we have successfully completed this WhatsApp chatbot. And now whenever my user is going to send me any of this keyword, automatically the chatbot is going to ask them for their full name, and further it is going to provide them the most commonly asked questions and reply according to their response. So yes, with this we have successfully completed this chatbot, and now I'm just going to test this chatbot for you once. Alright, so to test this chatbot, we first have to save this. Alright, so I'm just going to go towards this save button right over here, and as you can see, flow updated successfully. So with this, we have successfully saved this chatbot, and now I'm just going to test it. For that, you have to keep in mind that this should always remain active. If this is switched off from here, then the flow will not run in real time. Alright, so now I'm just going to open my WhatsApp and test this chatbot. For that, I'm just going to clear the previous chat right over here, and now once again I'm just going to start fresh and send them the keyword which is DIY. So as you can see that have successfully sent them the keyword and it is asking me for my full name. So let's say I'm just going to enter my full name right over here, which is demo user. So as you can see that I've successfully sent them my full name, which is demo user. And now it is saying, what would you like to explore today? So over here, I'm just going to test all of these three buttons one by one. First, I'm just going to start with DIY projects right over here. And as you can see for DIY projects, it has given me the message. Next, I'm just going to test this tools and kids button right over here. And over here, you can see the message for the same. And now I'm just going to test this order now button right over here. And as you can see the message for the same. Over here, I'm also going to test this get support button. So I'm just going to click on this get support. And over here, you can see the message for the same. So as you can see that over here, we have completed a proper conversation with our WhatsApp chatbot. And yes, it is replying me in real time within seconds. And this means that we have successfully created this chatbot for our craft store. That too without any manual intervention. Automatically, my chatbot is going to reply to all the user queries. So yes, with this, we have successfully completed this flow. But now I'm just going to show you a very amazing feature of this WhatsApp chatbot. And for that, I'm just going to open the inbox of my Pabbly Chatflow account in a new tab. And yes, over here in the inbox section, you can check the proper conversation which we had with our WhatsApp chatbot. Not only this, you can also see the proper status of the messages. When the message was sent, when it was delivered and read. You can check it out right from here. And leaving this, there's one more very useful feature. Over here, you can see that our user shared their full name, right? So over here, you can see that this demo user has been added in this contact custom field right over here under the full name contact custom field. So yes, you can see that not only sending and receiving of WhatsApp messages, but we can also collect the user information with the help of this amazing chatbot. So yes, this is the power of this amazing chatbot. And now I'll suggest you also go and try and create this amazing WhatsApp chatbot for your own craft store too. And yes, with this, we have successfully completed this workflow and this video too. And now go and try this amazing WhatsApp chatbot, because right now we are offering a free trial of Pabbly Chatflow. Thank you for watching, everyone. See you in the next video with many more automation tips. So not only this, but with the help of same logic, you can create multiple chatbots which are tailored to your business needs. So now if you want to contact us, you can email us at support@pabbly.com. If you have any queries, you can reach us at forum.pabbly.com. And if you have any pricing related issues, you can follow this website. So now go and create this WhatsApp chatbot for your business and try Pabbly Chatflow for free.